Good morning and welcome to On Blast with MG. Just wanted to do a quick video of the putting up a 12-foot Hobie Pro Angler and on top of the Lexus GX 460. And I have to say it wasn't that bad. Took me about a half an hour, but I think with time it will probably could shave it down to maybe 15 minutes. I just wanted to make sure that we did everything right. So it's a 2017 GX 460 with the OEM bars. I got these off of Amazon for $200. I just wanted to make sure that you know, the load rating was about 170 pounds. The kayak itself is about 120 pounds rigged, so it should be probably around 110 pounds or so. Fairly empty right now. Doesn't have any of the pedaling gear or anything else, so it wasn't bad. Looks like the load on there is pretty reasonable. You know, there's still a nice you know, they're straight. You know, it's not touching the top of the car, it's not touching the antenna here, and it's secured down fairly well, not really moving at all. I drove it for about half an hour, up to 40-50 miles an hour. One thing I might do differently is get some better straps. These are fairly inexpensive, and I'm just not sure if I trust them that much. They're kind of thin as well, so I'll probably just grab some different little heavier duty straps so I could have a little bit of peace of mind. But overall it wasn't bad, and it works. You know, secured it to the back there to the trailer hitch as well to give it a little bit more stability and no movement from side to side. But overall it fits perfectly on the OEM racks, and it's not too bad to put on. So go ahead and check out the video. I'll go through putting it on and taking it off at speed, so it's going to be fast forwarded so you don't have to, you know, watch me move around for a half an hour. All right, enjoy your weekend and fish on. Subscribe if you enjoy.